Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to day 12 of my birthday series. In today's video, I am doing a clothing birthday haul, like all the clothes and things that I got for my birthday. And yeah, there's nothing much to say. Also, I'm doing an Insta followers control my day video. Like it was requested and I wanted to do it since a lot of times. I'm gonna do that I think tomorrow or 2 days later, and I've put all the polls on my Insta story, so please check that out. And yeah, if you've also not entered the giveaway, then enter the giveaway too. And yeah, let's begin. So let me start with these socks. These are cute Christmas print socks, if I'm not wrong, from Forever 21. They were on sale. I think one pair was for 80 or 100 rupees, if I'm not wrong. So I bought 3 pairs for me and my best friend Vidhi. So I'm gonna include this in my other video as well, but just wanted to show. Then the next item is this cute NASA top, and this was gifted to me by Ajay and Nandini, my friends. We had gone to the mall, so they bought me this. I think this is in one of my reels. I've worn it. So this is a very cute fitted top. I love it. I absolutely am in love with this. The next thing is this pair of leggings, like this very popular this thing, the side stripes wala. I have a very similar, I think I have the same thing, but वो थोड़ा खराब हो गया था and I wanted a new pair, so my mom bought me this. So very cute, very basic. I wear this like every day, so that. The next thing is this cute yellow camisole top from H&M. I think everything that I've shown up tak except for the socks were from H&M, and the socks were from Forever 21. This is in the size extra small and it's super cute. It's a little bit see-through, like if you wear white underneath it, it's a little see-through, but the quality is nice. It's very comfortable, so yeah, cute. And I bought this top, this elastic wala top, and it can be worn off shoulder as well as like a square neck, and it's super cute. I think I've seen this, a lot of people have this. It's very common, very basic, but I love it. I always wanted a top like this, so I got it. It's for $7.99 and again from H&M. The camisole was for $2.99 if I'm not wrong, and the leggings were for $1,300 or $1,200 if I'm not wrong. So yeah, again super cute, quality is good, fitted top. I love it. Then my favorite purchase ever, it's a cute lavender mesh wala top. Very stretchy, very cute, very, I don't know, aesthetic, Pinteresty. I love it. Like it has mesh ka this thing, and I love the sleeves also. Like this gives me like princess feels. This is again from H&M. It's for 1,000 rupees and I'm in the size small. Small is a little loose. XS would have been a little too tight, so I got small. Again, very cute. Then we have this dress that I'm gonna wear for my birthday. It's a black floral skater dress with these puffy sleeves. I'm in love. It's a little short, but I think it fits me perfectly and I love it. It's very comfortable also. Yeah. Then the next thing that I bought is, it's not for me, it's for my friend Jude. It was his birthday in August, so it's a sweatshirt, a beige colored sweatshirt from H&M. I think it's really amazing, and all my friends and I have this thing going on with this beige color, so we're trying to do like a twinning or something. So all of us have at least like one item from H&M that is beige in color, and we're gonna do twinning. I don't know kabhi, but we're gonna do kabhi though, so that this is for that. And the last item, I'm totally in love with this. This is again not for me, this is for Vidhi. It's her birthday gift. It's this very cute jacket, crop denim jacket from Forever 21. I'm actually in love. I'm thinking of ordering a same for myself as well. The quality is amazing. It's denim, it's crop, and it's super cute. This is for 2,500 rupees and it's from Forever 21 and it's in the size small. And yeah, I'm in love. The sweatshirt was for 800 rupees from H&M again. So yeah, that was actually it for today's video, and I know it was like a very small, a mini haul, but I wanted to do it for a long time. And yeah, there are many more hauls coming up, so like stay tuned. And yeah, this was a mini video for you guys. If you liked it, then don't forget to like, share, subscribe, comment, and I'll see you. Bye.